Hi, my name is Dr. Ranley. Today, in this video, I will recording a lesson how to find slopes to teach a student. So in this video, I will use visual aids such as coordinate, plane, and label points to help students understand the concept of the slope. I will provide a clear, concise explanation with step-by-step example. This video will contain visual illustrations and languages. In short, my students can easily understand and comprehend the material. This is a valuable lesson for students to learn how to find a slope of a line. Today, we're going to discuss more detail how to find slope. So we have to measure how steep a line is. Identify part of the slope, such as rise over run. Rise means going up, run is going horizontal. The difference between rise over run, we call ratio. So the ratio of rise or run, we call slope. The slope always label M. For a non-vertical line passing through 2 points, usually we label from left to right. Let's say any line even go up or go down when we start from left to right. We have to label the one on the left first, point 1, which is x1, y1. The one on the right, we call x2, y2. We're gonna get changing y over changing x. It means y2 subtract y1, divided by x2 subtract x1. By doing this way, we call the slope. By comprehend how to find the slope using the formula rise over run, we can calculate how steep the line is. So on this one, the student will be able to find the slope of the line. Now let's see the pictures. First of all, we already discussed about we start from left to right. This is on the coordinate graph. We see that we label the one on the left is x1, y1. The one on the right side x2, y2. Now this transition is going to tell us when we're going up, we call rise. We're going to the right, we move from left to right. Horizontally, we call run. We always use an x2 subtract x1. By getting rise over run, we set up this way. We will find the slope. Let's go to the next slide. Alright, on this slide, I'm pretty sure I will teach students how to identify different kinds of slope. Various kinds of slope. First one, when slope rise from left to right, the slope is positive when it's going up like this. The next one, when the slope, the line going down from left to right, we call negative, or we call it go down. Alright, so we can see the picture for negative is going down. What about zero slope? Zero slope, it means horizontal line. On this line, the student will be find the slope of the line by using two real points. On this coordinate planes, we can see we find 2 points on the line first. We start from left to right. The first point, -3, -2. The second point, 3 and 2. As we said before, we label x1, y1, and then x2, y2. We're using the formula slope equal changing y over changing x. In this case, you can see the example show 2 subtract -2, that represents the y. 3 minus subtract -3, that's represent the x. After we did it, we got 4 over 6. And simplifies it, we got 2 over 3. So that positive slope, we know it's going up from left to right. I want to show you how we do subtracting like a column subtraction. It's very simple. You just get the one on top, which is y2 and x2. Subtract the bottom one, which is the next one, y1. So just put subtraction between them, just do column by column, and then you got changing y over changing x by just getting y divided by x at the bottom right here. That's how we do the calculation. How we get a negative slope. Same thing we did. We label the one on the left, which is point 1, 0 and 2, and then the one on the right, 2, -1. We do the same thing. In this one, we will get y2 subtract y1 over x2 subtract x1. Just keep everything exactly you label on coordinate plane. After you simplify, you will get -3 over 2. And that -3 over 2 is a negative slope. Welcome back. Now you already know how to find the slope of the line. I give you example. You got these things right here. If you can see very clear, if you start look from your left to right, you can see this one. When it starts from left to right, it's going down or going up. That telling you when it's going up left to right, like this one, it's called positive slope. But if on this side of the roof going down, it's called negative slope. Always use your left to right to be the first starter. All right, go and learn the concept. Teach other students. Thank you.